Solar water heaters are a great way to save energy, but just like any home system, they need proper care. In today's video, I'll share essential tips to help your solar water heater last longer and run efficiently. Routine inspections. Regular inspections are key to avoiding costly repairs. Start by checking for leaks around the tank, pipes, and connections. Even a tiny leak can waste water and spike your energy bills. Also, make sure the insulation and electrical connections look intact. These small things can lead to big problems if ignored. For example, a tiny crack in a pipe or a loose connection might seem insignificant, but it can impact your system's efficiency and even cause a failure. By catching these issues early, you'll save money and extend your heater's lifespan. Keep your system running at peak performance by inspecting it regularly. It's quick and easy, but it can prevent much bigger problems down the line. Cleaning the system. A dirty solar water heater is an inefficient one. Dust, dirt, and debris can build up on your panels, blocking the sun and reducing heat absorption. To keep things running smoothly, give your panels a gentle cleaning every 6 months using soapy water and a soft cloth. Don't forget to rinse them well to avoid leaving soap residue. While you're up there, check the filters and recirculating pumps for clogs. Clogged filters can prevent water from circulating, leading to inefficient heating and even system damage. Regular cleaning makes sure your system absorbs as much sunlight as possible and operates efficiently. During warmer months, when you rely more on solar energy, it's especially important. With just a little cleaning effort, you'll not only save on energy bills but also extend the life of your system. Flushing the tank. Sediment can build up inside your solar water heater's tank over time, causing blockages and reducing efficiency. To avoid this, flush the tank at least once a year. It's easy. Simply turn off your system, drain the tank, and refill it with fresh water. This simple process helps remove sediment, restores water flow, and ensures your heater runs smoothly. Without flushing, sediment can block pipes, reduce water flow, and make the heating process less efficient. By dedicating just a few minutes once a year to this task, you'll ensure optimal performance and avoid costly repairs down the road. Preventing corrosion. Corrosion is one of the biggest threats to your solar water heater's longevity. Over time, moisture and rust can damage the metal parts. To protect your system, check for rust around the water inlet and outlet. If you spot any rust, dry out the system during the off-season and repaint those areas. Also, ensure there are no gaps in your system seals. Even small cracks can lead to moisture damage. If you live in a humid or coastal area where corrosion is more common, it's extra important to stay ahead of this issue. A little attention now can prevent expensive repairs later, keeping your system running smoothly for years. Checking connections and parts. Your solar water heater relies on many connections and parts to work effectively. Check the connectors, power leads, and wiring for signs of wear. Even a small issue, like a loose connector or frayed wire, can cause your system to underperform or fail. Be sure that all connectors are tight and secure. Over time, these can wear out. It's important to inspect the entire system, from wiring to seals, to ensure everything is intact and working properly. By staying on top of these checks, you avoid surprise repair bills and ensure your system works efficiently and safely. Freeze protection. If you live in a cold climate, freeze protection is a must. During winter, frozen pipes can lead to bursting and major system damage. To prevent this, either drain the system or use antifreeze to keep the water from freezing. Additionally, installing a freeze protection kit will ensure your system continues working even in the coldest weather. It's also important to check your system regularly during winter, especially if temperatures dip below freezing. Protecting against freeze damage can save you from costly repairs and help keep your solar water heater running smoothly year-round.